Well, hello there everybody. How's everybody doing? So after a long time I'm using my GoPro, and today I am out for a short spin towards the Mumbai Benelli showroom. I'll be going to change my brake pad and silencer packing. थोड़ा सा लूज हो गया है मेरा पैकिंग को, and that's why I'm going to Benelli showroom. Well, there are lots and questions from you guys about this specific motorcycle. So मैं यहाँ पर सभी questions का जवाब नहीं दे पाऊँगा, थोड़े बहुत जवाब दे पाऊँगा. So वीडियो पूरा लाइन से देखे, do not skip. You might miss most asked question and all. I will be resolving in this vlog. And it sounds so relaxed, man, after I change my silencer. I mean, it's a stock silencer. I haven't changed like that wala, like after market and all. That is not the silencer I'm looking out. After a great hustle in the traffic, so I have finally reached the highway. So let's figure it out, your question and the answers. So many people have been asking which is the best motorcycle between Honda Highness Imperiale 400 and the all new Royal Enfield Reborn, which is 350 Classic. I think there is no comparison between these three motorcycles. So like all the three have like riding capabilities. I must not say like Honda Highness can do much better. So I have been looking on very videos on YouTube where Honda Highness cannot climb the Khardungla top. It struggled a lot like a 100cc motorcycle. I don't know what will be the reason behind that. Whereas Royal Enfield, being the king of the road, they say like we can take any roads. Yes, they can take any road, but depending on, they can take any roads, but I know, but there are some minus points in Royal Enfield after sales service. They are very rude on the after sales, like in the service station, like they say yes and no, and they like, we don't like. As a customer, we buy your product, you need to be very good to the customer. They are not very good with the customer. So according to me, this is 400cc. Those both Highness and Royal Enfield are 350cc. So I would not compare them with a 350. I will not compare my 400cc comparing with the 350cc. Okay, so your choice. If you want to go for, then go for Bajaj Dominar. That is 400. That is also a very good machine. Feel like I'm gliding. Oh, let's roll faster. Hey भाई रुक जा, इधर कहाँ आ रहा है? These are Mumbai problems. People just cut anywhere and all that. So the next question is when are we getting the alloy wheels for the Imperiale? I think this is a classic segment. Alloy wheels will not look at the specific motorcycle because it's like completely classic. I don't compare with those like Mac wheels and all. Because like this motorcycle has to be look like a classic and you treat like a classic. People are wondering, I know there are people who are still confused whether you go for I know there are some people who's worried about the puncture thing. So yes, a puncture is another issue, but I must say puncture ke andar, I don't know, maybe I haven't faced yet, but wala says I cannot remove the wheel, I cannot fix the wheel because of the ABS sensors. Yes, I have already made a video how to remove the tire and again fix it. So many people are asking when are you going for a next ride. So the next ride would be like Rajasthan or Spiti Valley. And while I was talking to you guys, I have reached Mumbai Benelli service as well as the showroom. Happy Navratri Dasera. Oh, वहाँ पर गणपति का भी बना हुआ है. कहाँ लगाओ गाड़ी? इधर लगाओ कि किधर लगाओ? So before going and giving this motorcycle for the thing, I have to change my silencer packing which is there inside थोड़ा लूज हो गया है. I don't know why. I will change that. And front brake pads, so I'm going to let you know how much it's going to cost you. The front brake pads, which is after 17,500 kilometers. So I'm going to let you in few minutes. In my silencer packing, due to some monsoon thing, packing थोड़ा सा लूज हो जाता है. Not only this specific motorcycle, कोई भी मोटरसाइकिल के अंदर वो होता है ये प्रॉब्लम. आपका साइलेंसर हिलर तो समझ पैकिंग थोड़ा चेंज करना पड़ेगा. एंड आई हैव ऑल्सो चेंज माई फ्रंट ब्रेक पैड्स विच इज़ यू कैन सी शाइनिंग नाउ. एकदम नया चकाचक लगा दिए. फ्रंट ब्रेक पैड विच दिस हैज़ कॉस्ट मी अराउंड 3,000 रुपीज़ एंड पैकिंग हैज़ चार्ज मी अराउंड 127 रुपीज़ एंड टोटल अमाउंट हुआ 3,316. सो 3,316 का मैंने तो बिल लिया नहीं हूँ. बिल मुझे ईमेल से मिल जाएगा. एंड आई विल बी गोइंग आउटसाइड फॉर अ राइड एंड मैं चेक करूँगा अभी साइलेंसर का साउंड कैसा होगा एंड ब्रेक पैड्स वर्किंग कैसा कर रहे. सो क्विकली शो यू द एग्जॉस्ट साउंड. दिस इज़ अ कंप्लीट न्यू एग्जॉस्ट. वो थोड़ा डस्ट है तो समझ के लो. मैं राइड पे गया था कल इसके वजह से. And is it in gear? Yeah, it's in first gear. Let me check. So this is the sound. ये भी आवाज़ कर रहा है. I have to do something for this. This is making some noise. Otherwise the motorcycle has a low thump but a perfect sound right now. So अभी फटाफट बाहर जाते हैं एंड राइड का लुत्फ लेते हैं. आगे का ब्रेक पैड चेंज हो गया. समझ लो कि कुछ राइड आने वाली है. यस, थैंक यू. Getting the motorcycle, you need to wait for some seconds. It will, the RPM will go to 1,500 to 1,600, almost somewhere there. And take the front brakes. I'll do some emergency braking. Oh ho ho! Now those are accurate. वैसे भी एक्यूरेट था ही पहले से, अभी भी और अच्छा हो गया क्योंकि नया. सो आई हैव टुक माई ओन ब्रेक पैड्स अलॉन्ग विथ मी. आई हैव केप्ट इन माई बैग क्योंकि पता है क्योंकि मैं उस पर कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट करने वाला हूँ एंड आगे इंस्टाग्राम पे अपडेट करने वाला हूँ फॉर समथिंग इज़ कमिंग न्यू फॉर द फ्रंट ब्रेक्स. आप लोगों को समझ में आ ही गया हिंट क्या मैं बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. जूने वाले ब्रेक पैड हमने इसके लिए कैरी किए क्योंकि हम उसके ऊपर एक नया ब्रेक पैड्स लगाने वाले हैं एंड which will cost me around, I don't know what will be the cost by making a premium brake pads. Although Benelli is having the premium brake pads quality in it, which cost me around 3,000 and the journey is smooth now. You know guys, I love this motorcycle sound when I'm on the 4th gear and between 3,000 to 4,000 RPM. That sound is something at a different level. So I have reached Bandra and this is the quietest place in Bandra. So I wanted to let you know the sound quality after I have changed the stock. This is a complete new design from Benelli, as the service center said, like something has changed. I don't know what they have changed. Looks as similar as the old one, but yes, the sound is something different now. Yeah, although the motorcycle is perfect to tour and all, like it's mind-blowing. You can tour a long distance and yes. And one more thing I want to let you know, like I wanted to sell this motorcycle for no reason, but just wanted to sell it and buy a new motorcycle, something else. Tell me in comments whether I should do this thing to sell this specific motorcycle. Although it's running good, there is no issue at all. Service is helpful, everything is good. It's just I wanted to sell it and buy a new one. What do you say? Should I stick to the same motorcycle or should I skip to another brand with a new motorcycle? I'll see you soon in next vlog. Bye bye. She's learning scooter over here.